Hello, this will be my progress report for my Arduino Android and Industrial Electronics project, the wireless shutter release for my DSLR project. I created the Android app using the MIT app Inventor. If you select the Bluetooth Connect, it will connect to the Bluetooth devices shown below, and I will connect to the HC05 in my Arduino Shield. It says they're connected, so once that's done, I can select the shutter speed, which I like. I'll select the easy to view shutter speed, the 1 second shutter speed. And if that's done, it will transmit if I press either of the buttons, but first I will press the focus button because of course before you release the shutter you should first focus the camera. And if I press it, it will turn green. It will turn the relay on, and if I release it, it will turn it off. So it means that it will still focus first. And if that's done, I can still refocus it again. But the relays are not turned on at this moment because I'm just testing the indicators. But actually it will turn on if I power the relay. Next, if I press the shutter release button, it will release the shutter. It will open the shutter, the camera, for 1 second, and it will close it down forever until you press that button again. So that's my shutter release, but there's a manual override in case you want to override it manually or just do it yourself. But I set the minimum shutter speed for the manual override to be 100 milliseconds. It's just for testing and emergency situations, but rest assured it'll be handy at times. And this will be the manual override for the focus relay. And that's about it for my progress report, because I'll be using another shield which uses 5-volt relays and not 12-volt relays, so that I won't use external power sources. Thank you.